Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do quadratic equations, exercise 5.4. In that third problem, that is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. In this problem, we need to say, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove when the length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find length and breadth. So, if you are going to say, can we make a rectangular mango grove or not? First of all, by the given information, we need to make a quadratic equation and then we need to find discriminant. The value of discriminant is greater than 0 or is equal to 0. We will get real roots. If we get real roots, we can design a rectangular mango grove. Otherwise, we cannot design a rectangular mango grove. So that only by using this information, we are going to write quadratic equation. Later, we need to find nature of the roots. See here, first of all, they gave length is twice of its breadth. So here I am going to assume let x be the breadth of a rectangle. Breadth of a rectangular mango grove. Next, length of a rectangular mango grove. L is equal to 2x according to the problem. Next, area of rectangular mango grove is equal to 800 meters square. Now, area of a rectangular mango grove, A is equal to 800 meters square. After that, now according to the problem, area is 800 meters square. What is the formula to find area of a rectangle? Length into breadth is equal to 800. Length is nothing but here 2x. 2x into x is equal to 800 meters square. Now 2x square is equal to 800. So here we need to make a quadratic equation by using this. Here we can write 2x square is equal to 800 as 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. Later we can write 2x square plus 0 into x minus 800 is equal to 0. Okay, it is in the form of general form of a quadratic equation. Later we need to find discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. See here, b value is 0, c value is minus 800, a value is 2. If you find b square minus 4ac, definitely we will get greater than 0. If we get discriminant value is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. So here, from here only we can find value of x. No need to find here discriminant value. We can say discriminant is greater than 0. Then why we need to find once again a discriminant value? From this we can find roots of a quadratic equation. See here, 2 is multiplying. After is equal to, it will divide. So x square is equal to 800 by 2. Then x square is equal to 400. So x is equal to plus or minus 20. X is equal to plus or minus 20. X is equal to 20 and x is equal to minus 20. Here we got x is equal to 20 and x is equal to minus 20. See, dimensions of a rectangle always positive integers. They won't be negative integers. So here we won't consider x is equal to minus 20. We will consider x is equal to 20 only. X is nothing but in the problem breadth of a rectangular mango grow. So here length of a rectangular mango grow is equal to twice of its breadth. Therefore breadth B is equal to 20 meters and the length L is equal to 2x, means 2 into 20. So we are getting 40 meters. See, can we get a rectangular mango grow with the dimensions? Yes, we can. How can you say? Here discriminant value is greater than 0. So we can possible to, or we can make a rectangle with the given information. Next, what are the length and the breadth? Here length is 40 meters and breadth is 20 meters. Next, we will do fourth problem. That is, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. See here, they gave information. By using this information, is this situation possible or not possible? We need to find. If it is possible, we need to find present ages of those two friends. See here, sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20. At that time, we can consider x and 20 minus x are the ages of two friends. See here, the problem they gave sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20 years. At that time, we can say let x and 20 minus x are the ages of two friends. See here, sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20 years. If one friend age is x years and another friend age will be 20 minus x years. Take here x years and 20 minus x years, YRS are the ages of two friends. See, if you add these two, you will get 20 only. X plus 20 minus x. Minus x plus x gets cancelled. So 20 we have. Now 4 years ago, their ages would be x minus 4 years. And another friend is 20 minus x minus 4. 60 minus x. The product of those two friends 4 years ago is equal to 48 years according to the problem. Now we have to write 4 years ago. Ages of two friends would be x minus 4 years and 16 minus 4 years. 4 years ago, two friends ages would be x minus 4 years and 20 minus x minus 4, 16 minus x years. According to the problem, what they mentioned, product of the ages of two friends 4 years ago is equal to 48 years. So here we can write x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48 according to the problem. Now x into 16, 16x minus x square, 4 into 16 minus 64 is equal to 48. Before is equal to minus 48 is equal to 0. Now we can write this one as minus x square plus 16x minus 112 is equal to 0. 64, 48. We need to add and we have to keep symbol. Next, x square minus 16x plus 112 is equal to 0. So in this problem, is this situation possible or not? We need to find. So if this situation possible or not, how can we find? We need to find discriminant. The value of discriminant is greater than 0 or is equal to 0. This situation is possible. Otherwise, given situation is not possible. So here, discriminant value we need to find. So A is here 1, B is here minus 16 and C is here 112. We need to compare with the general form of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. At that time A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 16 and C is equal to 112. Now B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 16 whole square minus 4AC. 4 into 1 into 112. See, 16 minus 16 whole square 256 minus 448. See here, 256 minus 448, 448. See, 2. Here 13, 13 minus 5, 8. Next, 1. Minus 182 we are getting. See, if you have any doubt, add here. Next, so here this one is 448, 256. Here 2 only. We need to take borrow. 14, 14 minus 5, 9. So 192. Minus 192 we are getting. So minus 192. Its value is less than 0. So therefore, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. This situation is not possible. Therefore, we can say given situation is not possible. Is not possible. Given situation is not possible. So we can't find present ages of these two friends because this situation is not possible. Means we won't get real roads. So this given situation is not possible. Next we will see fifth problem in this. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters? If so, find its length and breadth. So they gave us perimeter as well as area, and then we need to say, is it possible to design rectangular park or not? If it is possible, we need to find length and breadth. So first we need to write perimeter of a rectangular park. So perimeter of a rectangular park. Rectangular park is equal to 80 meters. 80 meters. Next, area of a rectangular park is equal to 400 meters square. See, in the problem they gave 2 of L plus B is equal to 80 and L into B and L into B is equal to 400 meters square. So L plus B is equal to 40. 80 by 2, 40 we will get. So L plus B is equal to 40. Then L is equal to 40 minus B. This 40 minus B we need to substitute in area, length into breadth. So here L into B is equal to 400. In place of L, if I substitute 40 minus B, I will get 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. Now 40 into B, 40B minus B square minus 400 is equal to 0. So this can be written as B square minus 40B plus 400 is equal to 0. See here, we need to multiply with minus. So minus into minus B square plus B square. So plus 40 into minus 40B. Minus into minus 400 plus 400. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. If the discriminant value is greater than 0 or is equal to 0, we can make a rectangular park. Otherwise, we cannot make a rectangular park. Okay, if we make a rectangular park, we need to find dimensions of a rectangular park. See, first of all, we need to find discriminant of the quadratic equation. So here A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 40 and C is equal to 400. See, discriminant value B square minus 4AC is equal to B square value minus 40 whole square minus 4AC. 4 into 1 into 400. So 40 into 40, 1600 minus 4 into 400, 1600. So we are getting here 0. Therefore, B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. So we can possible to construct a rectangular park. So we can construct and design rectangular park. We can construct rectangular park. Now, if so, we need to find dimension of a rectangular park. See, length vector we need to find. Roots are real and equal. What is the formula to find roots of a quadratic equation? X is equal to minus B by 2A. So here B value is minus 40. So minus of minus 40 divided by 2 into A value is 1. 2 into 1. Now minus into minus 40. So plus 40 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So x is equal to 20. X is nothing but what? Here x is nothing but breadth of a rectangle. And then length of a rectangle will be L is equal to 40 minus B. So here length is equal to 40 minus B. Take this one for breadth. So we are getting here 20 also. Therefore, length and breadth are 20 meters and 20 meter and 20 meter. Or else, if you won't find a length, here roots are real and equal. One root is 20 meter and means one dimension of a rectangle is 20 meters. Automatically, another dimension is also 20 meter only. So therefore, length and breadth of a rectangular park are 20 meters and 20 meters.